Arun. I'm the owner of Driven Auto Care in Fremont, California. One of the things I've really gotten out of the first day here is affirmations. I've actually done a lot with visualization in my past and in my current, with focusing on setting goals and then learning how to sort of imagine them and put them into reality. But something I was not doing before that I will be implementing is affirmations, which gets into more of the feeling and the statements that go along with the visual image. So that's a very cool, very practical skill that I'm taking back with me to my goal setting in my shop, figuring out how to convey it to the team better from both my own personal perspective as well as how they can employ affirmations for themselves as well. Well, so I think leadership applies to every single person in the organization, but this specific program is geared towards the leaders of an organization. And then part of what Michael is doing a really good job of promoting within us is the fact that we're supposed to take this home and give it to everybody within our organizations as well. And in doing that, we're helping everybody to be able to sort of manage and lead themselves within the organization so that the organization as a whole can be successful. And it's applicable not just in the automotive repair industry, it's applicable across all industries. But then because we are all shop owners here, we are able to contextualize what's going on really well and put it all together into our unique business practices.